Why do I consider Leads Leap as the best autoresponder? Hi, I'm Carol Reve. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to go over why I consider it the best autoresponder. Not only the best autoresponder, but the most affordable autoresponder with the best value in it. Okay, so please stay to the very end so you can get all the information. Now, you may be wondering, well, what is an autoresponder? You've heard of email marketing before, but you're not sure what it is. And the importance of an autoresponder is it gives digital marketing, your lead nurturing, engagement, you have conversation, okay, and integrated autoresponders. For Leads Leap is called SendSteed, and this is the part of the marketing platform. In autoresponders with Leads Leap, you get unlimited subscribers lists. Excuse me. Now this is an autoresponder right here. Okay, this is a page that I set up through Leads Leap, and this is one of the things we're going to get into. Okay, that Leads Leap has great page creators too, but an autoresponder is where somebody puts in their email, and if you want their name too, and then they get access to whatever it is you're offering them, okay? And then a series of emails goes out on your behalf, talking to them, introducing them to the things that you have. Maybe you have a course, maybe you have some different marketing tools that are really helpful. That is what an autoresponder does. It nurtures trust and relationship, which is network marketing, is the mainframe of network marketing. Okay, you can create multiple lists, track subscribers' behavior if they're opening certain emails. Okay, automated follow-up series is in the pro version. Okay, so we're going to go over that. There's a share code feature in this to where I can just send you a share code and you can get a capture page like this, and just, if you want to tweak the words so that it'll, come for you. Now with Leads Leap, you get an autoresponder, the page builder, the traffic tools, link tracking, which is very important, pop-up forms, and many ways for monetization. All right, you get quality subscribers because it's double opt-in. Now, what does that mean? That means when they put their name and email in here, then they get an email sent to them that says, are you really interested? I'm paraphrasing. That says, are you interested in this information? Please click the link to get the information sent to you. And they send the link. A double opt-in lead is much better, in my opinion, than a single, which is just they put their information in and the stuff starts coming, which means they could do Mickey Mouse at gmail.com, and they're just messing with you, and nothing, it's not a real email. A lot of phony emails get sent that way. So double opt-in is a very good lead. Okay, and I'd rather have 10 double opt-in leads that are very good leads that are interested in the information than 100 just single opt-in leads where the majority of them are garbage emails. Okay. There's built-in team support, and there's a lot of learning resources. I have a whole page, a whole series of videos that goes over how to set up these different through using share codes, and it has emails within itself that are not emails. It has videos in itself that goes over how to set up and create your own pages. Okay. So I definitely like, one of the biggest reasons why I like Leads Leap is that for when you upgrade for one set price, it's no matter how big your list gets, it stays the same price, which is about $27. I do believe when you first join, there's a special that you can get if they still offer it. It might not be offered anymore because most autoresponders start at $25. Okay. And so this is why it's important if you're serious about list building, about building your list, building your income. It's all about building your list because that's your true asset. Okay, and if you stay a free member, there's no follow-up. You only add one single welcome email to it. There's no relationship building, no education, no long-term conversations. Okay, one email rarely converts a prospect into a buyer or a team member. Okay, one email does not a system make. Okay, an unlimited email series unlocks things like you get to tell your story over time. You get to educate the prospects automatically. You answer objections before they even think of them. You stay visible without daily manual emailing. Okay, your emails work 24/7 even when you're not online. That is automation. Automation is autoresponders. Okay, but you need a series of emails to go out. Okay, you can't just do one. And another one is free ads. You have to manually, if you want to get traffic from Leads Leap, you have to manually click to get traffic. When you're a pro member, upgraded pro members get pro ads, which once you enter your 10 pro ads in there, you don't have to click. You don't have to, sit there and click for hours getting traffic. It automatically comes. All right. And then the traffic, because you have your autoresponder set up, it's set up for long-term growth, for duplication, because you have share codes that your team can use the share codes with. I really love Leads Leap. The value, because you get the tracking, as I've said before, and the autoresponder and the page creator, which I have literally probably 40 to 50 different capture pages for different things, all made up and things. You can have unlimited capture pages you can create. You can have unlimited email lists to each program that you're in, or each list, segmented. So and no matter how big your list gets, it's only $27 a month. With GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, any of these others, the bigger your list gets, the bigger the price gets. And that's not including advertising. That's not including a lot of times page creators, or if they have like a template, it's an old template that they've used for a few years. Okay, so this is why I love Leads Leap. I think it gives you the best value for the price and great tools of pop-up creators and, let me go down here again, tracking links. And here's the post the pro ads right here. So I have 10 of 10 active, and I've gotten, over the last 7 days, 1,854 hits sent to them. That's without me doing anything. Okay? Since I've been in Leads Leap, over 256,828 hits. Now, I've been in Leads Leap for a while, as you can imagine. Okay? And these are the pro ads that are added. Anyways, this is why I absolutely love Leads Leap, and I think it is the best value online today. Okay, so click the link below, take a closer look. You can join free, but as I said, the true value opens up when you're a pro member, for the advertising, for the SendSteed, that's the autoresponder that's in Leads Leap, that you can have unlimited emails added to it too. Because it always have been and always will be, the money is in the list. The list is your true asset. Okay? Okay, because no matter what happens to the program that you're in, there's programs that are going to come and go. There's very few programs that have been around for 20 years, and if you follow me at all, you know which one I'm talking about. Okay? But you will always have your list. No program can take that away from you. Okay? All right. God bless and take care.